my name is Ashley, and today I'm here to show you our new Wolf Pup floor plan, the 16TS. Let's take a look. So check out the living space here in the 16TS. The really cool thing about this particular floor plan is this large dinette in the back and also these huge panoramic windows. So you can certainly sleep an adult, if not two children in this space, because you do have a large dinette here that does dual as a sleeping space. We're always trying to take as much advantage of storage space as we possibly can, so we've included here this full bank of cabinetry. Both of these windows can be opened, which is really nice because you can get a nice cross breeze when you're at your campsite. As you look in this kitchen area, again, you have your full-size 12-volt refrigerator, so you can fit tons of food and drinks in here. You have your juice pack, which is going to be your 50-watt solar panel, your battery, and also your battery disconnect, so you will be able to run lights, awnings, slide outs, refrigerator, those types of items when you're not plugged in at your campsite. If you take a look in the kitchen, you have this nice large sink, you have your cooktops, microwave, and again, plenty of storage. So you really get a lot of great utility in a small unit. Check out the front of the 16TS. Here you have your full-size queen bed, your overhead cabinetry. Another nice thing here, you can lift this bed up and you have plenty of storage space underneath, as well as your full-size bathroom. On the 16TS and all of our Wolf Pups, Grey Wolves, and Cherokees, we have this Tough Coat exterior. This is great because if you're at a campsite and you happen to go by some branches or something like that, you don't have to worry that the exterior of your unit is going to get scratched up. So that gives you an extra level of protection. On the exterior of this unit as well, you have your outside entertainment setups, your refrigerator, so for some drinks for the outside, your Cherokee stable step, grab handle, and you're also going to have your power awning with your blue LED lights. So we really have everything set up with your outside entertainment needs in mind. For more information about the 16TS and all of our other Wolf Pup floor plans, please visit our website at forestriverinc.com/wolfpup. Thank you.